The really big news about the 2020 Mercedes GLE is the availability for the first time of a third row seats, made possible by a body that's 5 inches longer than before. Although of course this one and only show car doesn't have them. Handy. If we're honest about it, the exterior of the GLE is a bit, well, kind of generic Mercedes SUV, but things get more interesting inside. In common with all the latest Mercs, attention focuses on what they're calling MBUX, or Mercedes-Benz User Experience. It's basically like a couple of iPads molded together, and it's controlled either by gesture, by touchscreen, or by this little controller here in the center console if you don't want to get too many fingerprints on the screen. What it does do is create an ambience that's a lot simpler and, in my opinion, more elegant than before. It's a nice place to be and the quality is terrific. The GLE will arrive early next year as a 350 with a 2-litre turbo 4, or as a 450 with a 3-litre 6, complete with a small electric motor adding a bit of extra boost. Mercedes is also claiming a trick new suspension system that has benefits both on and off-road. We expect it to cost from around $55,000 and it will go head-to-head with the new BMW X5. That's a comparison test that we can't wait to deliver.